Good morning, children. Today in English 1, we are going to start lesson number 31, Robotics. Before starting the lesson, children, let me ask you a question. Who saves our time in daily life? Can you guess, children? The answer is machines. Machines save our time in daily life. You can see so many machines around yourself in the house. Sewing machine, washing machine, mixer and grinder. Why are we using all these machines? We use these machines to make our work easy. These machines make our work easy as well as they save our time also. Children, can you name a smart machine? I guess you can. It is computer. So, our lesson is related to such a machine. Children, a robo is a complex man-made machine that can perform many of the tasks that human beings do and some tasks that are too difficult or dangerous for human beings. Complex means, children, made up of many parts. There are many small and big parts in a robo, and this machine does the work. Whatever we human beings do, these robots can do all the work that we do, but they perform difficult and dangerous tasks which we human beings cannot do. Robots are built in such a way that they can perform these tasks automatically. That means on their own when they are started or on command, like when you work on a computer. When you give the command to the computer, it gives you the result. Robots may be operated by remote control. You all know remote control. You operate the television, the air conditioner with a remote control. You all may be having toys which are operated by remote control. So a robo is also operated by remote control. A robo usually has three things. It has a built-in computer program. This program is like the robo's brain. Like you say, the CPU is the brain of the computer. So a program is set in the brain of the computer. Only a robo cannot think on its own like we human beings do. It cannot think on its own, like it cannot work if it wants to, like if it wants to work on its own, it cannot do. It cannot decide also, like how we decide whether to do something, whether to do good or bad on its own. Everything is built in the program is set in the robo. It can learn and do only what the program makes it possible for the robo to learn and do. A robo does not have moods and feelings like human beings do because it is a machine, children. So it doesn't have any feelings and moods. It will not get sad, it will not get happy, or it will not get bored doing the same work again and again and again. Like if you are asked to do your homework after say half an hour, 1 hour, you will get bored. But this robo will not get bored because it is a machine. It is not having any feeling, so it can do the same work again and again and again without getting bored. And it can work in dangerous places where we human beings cannot go or live. You all may have seen many movies where a robo is saving lives of people who are caught in a fire. So where human beings cannot go, these robots, they can work in such dangerous places also. A robo has mechanical parts or a body. These parts enable the robot to move or perform certain actions in certain ways. Now, like how we have washing machine, there are pipes, tubes attached to it. In the same way, these robots also have pipes, tubes, cylinders, wheels, gears joined in a particular way. There are There may be devices that scoop up or hold things like, if the robo is given command to sweep the house, it will have tubes attached, then pipes will be attached to it to do that work, or to mop the floor. So there are devices like holding things, blow, suck. If the uh, robo is given the command to sweep the floor, so it will blow the air from the pipe and all the dust will be caught up in that pipe. So the dust is sucked up by the pipe. So there are many parts in the robo. These parts are designed to suit the purpose for which the robo is built. Like if the robo is built to only sweep and mop the floor, so it will have only those parts. Or if it is designed to do some much mechanical work, so it will have those devices. A robo also has sensors or devices that inform it about its surroundings, like how you have eyes, ears, nose, your sensory organs. So in the same way, the robo also has sensors which informs it about the surrounding. Again, these devices are designed and fitted to the robo by experts, by the person who designed and built the robo. Children, sensors act, they can react to light, heat, pressure to make that machine do a work. So that's why the robo can do the work with the help of its sensors. It can detect. Some robots are designed to look like human beings or other living things, or they may be given other suitable shapes. Children, it requires a lot of hard work, skill, imagination to design and build robots. Now, would you like to design or build a real robo when you grow up? For that, you have to study the appropriate subject, the relevant subject well, and also develop a good imagination.